Reset the laptop to attempt to resolve the blank screen. Press and hold the power button until the laptop turns off, and then disconnect any cables including the power adapter. If your laptop has a removable battery, slide the battery release latch and then remove the battery. Press and hold the power button for 15 seconds. Reconnect the power adapter but do not reinstall the battery. Turn on the laptop. If it's still blank, move to the next solution.
Test the laptop video card by connecting to an external monitor if you have one available. Use an HDMI VGA cable to connect from the laptop to a monitor or anything available. If the monitor and television remains blank, press F4K to switch display. If the screen remains blank, move on to the next step.
Recover and install the last working version of the BIOS. During this process, make sure the laptop is plugged into a wall outlet. Press and hold the power button until it's turned off. Press and hold the Windows and B keys, then press and hold the power button for 1 second and release all three. Wait for 40 seconds. If the BIOS update screen displays, the issue is resolved.